How do you live your life twice? Discover the art of journaling and find out. Recently, a great friend of mine, Dan Torpey, did a presentation on the art of journaling. And he shared some great ideas on how to use journaling to improve your life. In this video, I'm going to crystallize some of the key elements of his presentation and share with you how I'm using journaling in my own life. So why journal? It's scientifically proven to increase your performance by up to 25%. This was found in a Harvard study. A Cambridge study found that it improves overall well-being after a traumatic series of events. It strengthens your overall communication skills, and it improves your sleep, focus, and cognition. So how do I journal? There are many techniques out there, and there are many great ideas out there on how you can make journaling work for you. In this video, I'm going to cover two of them. The first is the art of Japanese mirroring, and the second is the Jesuit Daily Examen. There is a great book out there. It's called Nikon, Gratitude, Grace, and the Japanese Art of Self-Reflection by Greg Craig. This book outlines the overall Japanese mirroring technique that I'm about to share with you. And it can be crystallized into 3 prompts. These prompts are, what am I especially thankful for? What have I given to others? And what are the difficulties I've caused? Now, depending on the journaling tempo you choose to use, whether that's daily, weekly, monthly, will define how you use these prompts. If you're doing daily journaling, then you are going to want to focus on the prior day. For example, say you're doing daily journaling at night before bed. What am I especially thankful for today? What have I given to others today? What are the difficulties I've caused today? And use this to write, to freely write. These are simply prompts, and it's intended to open you up to communicate to yourself and echo back to yourself what you're feeling about these things. This is one method of journaling that has proven to be very effective. The Jesuit Daily Examen is meant to be a reflection on the day's events. It invites you to find the movement of God in all of the events of the day, all of the people, and in yourself. Like the Japanese method, the Examen are introspective prompts that you use to begin your journaling. And there are 6 prompts in the Jesuit Daily Examen. The 6 prompts are, who am I? And how does God see me? What am I especially thankful for today? What were my emotions today? Did I have missed opportunities to do good? Where do I need to ask for help? And the last prompt is intended to put the day at rest and look forward to tomorrow. And you use these prompts in the same way as the prior method. Each prompt is an opportunity to write in your journal. So how do I put this all together? Well, first, get a journal. Now, some people use digital journals, and I do nearly everything digital nowadays, but I use paper for journal. I use a notebook here, and I write through it, and I keep my place, and I accumulate my thoughts in it, and then I use this for my daily reflection. Now, I am a morning journaler, and let me tell you why I've chosen the morning rather than the end of the day to journal. Some people choose to journal as the last part of their day to wind down before they go to bed, and that is a great technique. But I do things a little differently. I start my day off every day with yoga, and I've talked about that in other videos that you can see here. After that, I do a meditation, and then I take some time for gratitude. This is where I just sit and think about everything for which that I am grateful. And here is the part where the journaling comes in. I've already done my yoga, I've already had my meditation, and as I get into gratitude, I'm going to use this as an opportunity to write the thoughts that I once just kept inside my mind. And so what I've done is I've taken these 2 techniques that I shared with you and created my own set of prompts. The first thing is all about gratitude, things that I've received. What have I received recently? Now, this could be the prior day or the prior week, but it's some small or finite period of time. But then I also offset up, I say, well, what have I given to others? How have I shared of myself? How have I contributed? What are the difficulties that I've caused? Did I maybe get in the way of somebody else's day? Did I get in the way of somebody else's accomplishment? Did I miss a chance to do good? Usually these two go hand in hand. And then I always end it with a meditation that I use, a mantra. Who am I? And who am I is intended for me to really look within myself to understand who I am, what I contribute, and where I want to be. And these are my prompts. And I use these to do my journaling exercise. What I would encourage you to do is look at the two methods I've shared earlier, look at the combined method that I'm sharing with you right now, and then look at other methods. Pick up a notebook, get something very simple like this, and just start writing. The key about journaling is to start it and to do it consistently. It'll allow you to live that day twice by doing all of this reflection on your day. Journaling has some great benefits. It relieves stress. It gives you an opportunity for self-reflection. It inspires creativity, boosts your memory, and helps keep your thoughts organized. It helps with your writing significantly because you're practicing writing every day. And it allows you to live your life twice. I make videos like this every week. Some of them are on business and marketing. Others are on personal development, like the video you're watching right now. I encourage you to watch other videos that I've created. If you like this one, I'd appreciate a like. If you have a different way you do journaling, put that in the comments. I'd really love to hear what other people are doing. And as always, if you want to see more, please click the subscribe button and click the bell. Thanks for your time today, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video.